Hi, lovey ko. I'm here na papunta na ako ng plant. I'll also have training today until Thursday. So, baka hindi ako message sa'yo from time to time. Pero I'll do my best. I'll message you uh, when I have that pag wala na ako sa processing plant. Kasi I'm with the owners. May consultant kami. So, pagpasensyahan mo na. I'll call you later or message you from time to time kung kaya ko. Um, with regards to your appointment today sa trial, please go if you can. This is your make or break. So, will make you will make your career, okay? Um, pero kung hindi mo talaga kaya, please advise them. Pero I encourage you to go kasi this is very important. I know you're preparing for this one. So, aalis na ako. So, take care. I love you and always bear in mind na I may be not there physically, but I'm with you all my heart. Okay? I love you. Bye. Bye for now.